Hi friends, this is Dolly Jain and I hope you're trying all my drapes and I hope you're enjoying them. If you have any problem, you can always get back to me as I read all your comments. And in this drape that I'm going to share today is how to drape a sari on a long blouse and a jacket. So here is my model for today, Gina, and today, as I had already mentioned, that I'm sharing with you a drape which is with a long blouse and a jacket. So obviously when you have an outfit like this, you would not want to, hide your jacket because it's so beautifully embroidered with this gotapatti work. And maybe you don't want to add on color in front. So then how do you wear a sari? Where am I going to fit in the sari? So just see the magic happen. So yeah, this is how I'm going to start. I'm just going to take this and I'm going to roll this up for now so that I can show you. So Gina, just hold this for me. Yeah. So I've just done this so that I can show you how we tuck in. So this is how I'm going to start. I start tucking in from here. And then I make my second pleat on top of this, which is going to be a little away. Don't make too close pleats. And then I'm doing my third pleat. And then the fourth one. After doing these 4 pleats, I think you can just stop and just see the length of the sari. And after that, what you do is, leave. The jacket comes on top of the sari like this. Turn around, Gina. It comes like this. The jacket is, the blouse comes on top and then the jacket. And now what you do with this leftover sari. How I make my pleats. So throw, hold, throw, hold, throw, hold, and see how the pleats come. It only, behaves well when I use these pegs. So I have to discipline them by using these pegs. So after doing that, what I do is, just hold here, Gina. Yeah. So I'm just going to make these pleats. And use another peg and throw this. Yeah, here, yeah. After you've decided the length of your palla, what you can do is just take a sari pin and just secure the shoulder pleats like this. And since it is a silk fabric, you can just align them nicely. Yeah, this is how it looks from behind. All your pleats in place. And if you want, since the palla that I've kept is long enough, if you want, what you can do is just take this part and pin it up on your arms like this. Just stand in front. this way what you're showing is your full blouse is visible and your sari is in place, and yeah, this is how it looks. Before I say a goodbye, have you subscribed to my channel yet?